Hi guys, how you're doing? I hope you're doing great. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. Today we are going to be making this headband. It's quite easy to make, so we're just going to go through it step by step. So these are my two fabrics that I use. The first one, the pink one, is stretchy, and then I also had this printed fabric. So the width of this fabric was 12 inches and the length was 23 inches, and 23 inches is basically your head circumference. Then I also had these two smaller rectangular pieces which were 15 inches by about 4 inches, and I cut two of them. After pinning them, I now went on and then I marked about 2 inches from the open end, and then I just cut them like that. And then I now went on to align them and join them in the middle like that. And then I went to my bigger piece of fabric for the turban, and then I found the center point, and then I now placed the exact center of my two fabrics which I joined onto the center of the big piece of fabric. And then I just readjusted my pins and made sure that everything was on the edge. So basically I'll have about 3 layers of fabric to sew. Then I went on to stitch that end. So there I was basically using my overlocker. Then after I'd stitched the ends like that, I now folded my fabric in half, and then I went on to that corner with the open edge, and then I placed some pins there. Then I went to the open end, and then on that corner I now drew a curve to get the shape of the turban. Then I now cut that away. After cutting, I now went on to my sewing machine. Then I just went on to stitch that end. I went on to sew on that curved part that I'd cut away. I also overlocked it just to make it neat. Then at that point now, I took a needle and thread. My thread was actually quadrupled, by the way, or you may want to use a really thick thread, something that is strong. And then I pulled my thread and made sure that I really got a nice gather, and then I tied my thread off. So at that point, that is how it looks like. That is how the turban looks like. So the first part of this DIY is done. Then the next part, we are now going to be making the braided headband, which goes over the turban. So I had my 3 long pieces of fabric, which were 4 inches wide and 38 inches long. Then I just folded them in half, making sure that the bright side is on the inside. And then I just went on the edge, and then I started to put pins just to prepare this for stitching. Then after I had pinned all 3 pieces of fabric, I now went on to sew on the ends or the edges. There I was just basically sewing. Afterwards, now you can now use either a safety pin or a bodkin. I personally use my bodkin to turn all 3 pieces of fabric inside out. And then, so this is the stuffing that I use. You can buy stuffing from your local fabric store or use like normal pillow stuffing. And then I also had this wooden spoon to help me to push the stuffing inside the fabric tubes. So this will take time, so just make sure that you're not in a hurry. You take your time, you relax while you're doing this. You can watch TV. I had a little bit of help, not the best helper or the fastest helper, but I was really grateful for the help. So with a little bit of help, there were all my 3 fabric tubes all stuffed. Now the next thing was to now go on to one end, align them, and then join them. Then I stitched them together.
The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
So I had to ask my little helper again to come back and help me to hold these 3 fabric tubes while I braided them. If you don't have someone to help you, you can also use tape, then you tape them down onto your surface and then you braid them. So I managed to braid my fabric tubes, and then at the end I noticed that they were not equal anymore. I don't know why, but I just cut off the excess and then I joined all three of my fabric pieces at the ends. Then I now took both ends together and then I brought them together and then I started to stitch. Then I now went back to my turban again. I flipped my braided headband, and to make sure that the part with the row stitching was on the inside, and then I sewed it onto the back of the turban. So you can also join it in other places. I just prefer to leave mine like this. And at that point I was basically done. I felt that even when I wear it, the braid headband will not fall. If you feel that it's going to fall, you can either just sew it on or you can put pins on it so that it does not fall, but it really was quite tight on my head. So this is basically the result, and I added some pink earrings onto my mannequin just to show you guys how I'm going to style it. And that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I really appreciate